Okay, that. Okay, sit, Frazier. Now that sit.
I can tell you everything about your eye thing if you gave me like a day.
I love
or
you.
2 hours, I can figure out how to use it.
What? What? I love you. Say I love you. No. Tell me. Say I love you. Oh, good boy. Yeah, now do it again. You did so good. Tell Denise. Say I love you. I love you. He's doing good. I'm so proud. Now, let's do it. Let's do it a couple more times. I love you. Do you say it? Say it. I love you. Okay. Good boy. Now, you want to do the Kit Kat? Meow. I love you. You stuck on that. Okay. Well, we'll just go with that right now. No. Say no. I love you. No. Say meow. Do the Kit Kat. Meow. Can you do the Kit Kat? Do the Kit Kat. I love you. Okay, well, we'll just stick with that. Calm down. I wish you'd do the Kit Kat. I really do. I love you. So, well, you've been asking me to do I love you so much, I'm just stuck on that. One more time. Say, I love you. Say, no. I love you. Good boy. Just